When DCI Countertops of Crystal River, Florida, was ordered by Florida environmental protection officials to change how the company was discharging a small amount of wastewater, Vice President John Deem knew immediately who to call: Water Treatment Technologies. DCI's problem with the Florida EPA began after moving into a new facility in 2006. It was primarily one of miscommunications and misinformation about whether DCI could occasionally dump about 20 gallons of wastewater from a water filtration system into an open field.
We were informed by our local county officials that it was okay to just drain just small gallons of water. I guess we were reported by one of our local water meter reader officials, and then they turned us into the Department of Environmental Protection. They came out and gave us an inspection, told us we were, of course, in violation of code.
DCI abandoned the practice and hired a company to come in and pump out the excess water. They immediately decided to replace their current bag system with Water Treatment Technologies' EnviroSystem, a proven zero-discharge water recycling unit.
I've looked around. I've seen the different systems that are out there. I've gone to some larger suppliers or larger manufacturers that are within my trade and looked at their systems throughout the country, and water treatment was a prevalent system that was out there.
Deem says that Water Treatment Technologies was extremely helpful throughout the process with the Florida Department of Environmental Protection.
Walked me through the system, how it worked, and it seemed like a great fit for what we needed.
Unfortunately, it took DCI about 6 months to get state approval before installing the system, during which time Water Treatment Technologies provided manuals and other information the Florida DEP required before it would okay the system. Within 3 weeks after approval, the EnviroSystem was installed.
The system is a closed-loop system, which basically means no water in, no water out. So you don't have to worry about a discharge of water, nor do you have to refill the system consistently. You're going to have some evaporation or water loss through a normal operation. That you'll have to refill, but for the most part, there's no water in, no water out, which fits perfectly into the DEP's requirements.
In operation, the water is pushed through a filter press. The water is then recirculated back through and into a holding tank.
It's a very simple operation. It doesn't require any moving parts or anything of that nature. A simple air pump and some technology, and you're good to go.
The system produces crystal clear recycled water and gray water.
Not all of our machines require the clean, fresh water that the Water Treatment Technology system provides. So our saws and our exterior of our CNC can utilize gray water. It's all incorporated as one unit, and it allows us to operate gray water and fresh water at the same time through the same system.
DCI also chose WTT's low-cost antibacterial option, and Deem says it appears to be paying dividends since the system was installed.
We've had fewer sick days, and I think it's going to be a good idea. It's going to work out well for us.
Deem says that the EnviroSystem gives him peace of mind that what DCI is doing is correct within the industry and correct for the environment. He's also thrilled with the overall experience of dealing with Water Treatment Technologies. Having bought machines for both the company's parent cabinet division and the countertop operation, Deem says this:
This is the first time I ever bought a machine that someone actually exceeded their promises.